Welcome to the Huawei Ideahub beginner tutorial. These are the Ideahub camera, microphones, home button, speakers, and stylus pens. Ideahub has a built-in Android system that also supports OPS module, allowing you to use both Windows or Android systems. Ideahub has a built-in applications such as Meeting, Whiteboard, and Project. Tap the 9-grid icon on the left or right side to quickly open apps and tasks, and control all microphones, speakers, and cameras. Tap Help to watch video tutorials and view FAQs. If the device is not connected to the network, you can scan the QR code using your phone to watch the whole operation guide. Tap Settings to configure settings such as Do Not Disturb, brightness, volume, and camera. Tap Advanced to configure enterprise service, email, network, and language information. Touch and hold the screen to quickly change the wallpaper. Open Whiteboard. Simply use your finger or the stylus pen to write on the board. In the lower left corner of the whiteboard, you can manage, save, and open pages. At the bottom of the whiteboard, you can perform operations such as changing the pen color, selecting a stroke effect, and zooming in or out. Tap Setting to choose the background color of the whiteboard and enable or disable the Smart Pen function. Ideahub supports projection using the Huawei Cloud Meeting client or the Ideshare client, as well as for the DLNA projection, the Ideshare Key, Wireless Cast Plus, and Wired HDMI. The following uses the Huawei Cloud Meeting client as an example. Tap Project. Download the Huawei Cloud Meeting client on your PC or mobile phone as prompted. Then connect the PC or phone to the same network as the device. Take a PC as an example. Open the Huawei Cloud Meeting client. Enter the projection code. After the projection is successful, tap Toolbar at the bottom, tap Reverse Control to turn pages of the slides. Tap Toolbar at the bottom, tap Annotation to annotate and comment on shared content. Tap Meeting to quickly create a meeting. After the meeting is created, the meeting ID, guest password, and meeting QR code are automatically generated. Tap the meeting ID in the upper left corner to view the meeting information. You can share the meeting information with other attendees so that they can join the meeting by meeting ID and password. At the bottom of the meeting page, you can control microphones and speakers. Tap More to find more meeting control operations. Tap Share to share whiteboard and meeting content to remote sites. Swipe right on the home page to enter the Whiteboard. 3 welcome page templates are available, allowing you to edit the font size, color, and content to fit your needs. Swipe left on the home page to access the app list. Touch and hold an app icon to customize the home page and put frequently used applications on the home page. That's all for getting started. Thanks for watching.